Hey BGW clients, family, friends. Today we're going to go over how to electronically sign documents that you receive from Right Signature, which is our electronic signature program. Some of you or all of you may have received an email from Right Signature asking to sign a document. We usually use this for engagement letters, 8879s for your individual return or a business return. So today we're going to show you how to sign the document. This can be done on a normal internet browser, it can be done on your phone, your iPad. It's all generally the same steps though, but you will receive an email from Right Signature asking to sign a document. And in this case, it's the engagement letter. So to start, we're just going to hit review and sign document. And then we want to read through the engagement letter. And then we get down to the bottom where it's asking for the signature. And then from here, we'll click on that. And then if you're on your phone, you could use your finger, or if you're on a computer, you could use your mouse, or you can just type your signature. Apply. It's going to ask the signature date, so let's put today's date. And then for text, we just want to type our name in. And again, read through the remaining document just to make sure you know what you're signing. But once you're done reading the document, you click Submit Signature, and then you click Submit one more time. And it may say a tutorial. And if you wanted to keep a copy of the signed engagement letter for your records, which I highly recommend, if you're on the computer, you could hit download, and then you could download a completed signature PDFs to know that you've signed your 2019 engagement letter as of 3/16/20. And then once you do that, because this says executed, we know the BGW employee or staff now knows you signed it, and you will be covered for your 2019 signature requirements. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to contact your BGW representative and they'll be able to help you. Thank you.